Casey, why is that cop got a Tech 9 on his back?
See guns on people. I can't see shit.
Said he's got a fucking Tech 9 on his back.
That's the Tech 9.
Are we
Useless.
ready to start, everyone?
Yeah.
Is the state ready? Is the defense ready?
Yeah, as ready as I'll ever
Judge
be.
really
ma'am.
struggling
All
over
right.
here.
We have the judge presiding. He will be here. He's standing right there, so we can begin momentarily.
Is he?
Yeah, I forgot about the microphone. Alrighty. Yeah, I made it. State versus Storm, number 1. It's just 2 of these. We'll be starting with the plaintiff. You can come up and make your opening statement.
Ready? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yep.
We could hear you the whole time.
Oh, damn. We're here on Storm version 1 today. Your Honor, my plaintiff here. Hang on one second, I'm lost.
To be clear, are you the state attorneys or?
Oh, I thought you said the plaintiff.
No, yeah.
I'm a public defender.
My bad, Your Honor.
This is embarrassing.
They're taking us to
Anyway,
There we
excuse
go.
you?
Yep.
Anyway, good evening, Your Honor. We're here today in court regarding Mr. Storm. The state is here to paint a clear picture regarding on what happened January 1st, 2026. The state brings forth State v. Storm's court in relation of the possession of contraband, possession of weed, resisting arrest, and last of all, we will also be covering how the defendant had fled and evaded. We hope with all the evidence brought forward to the court can see sufficient proof and evidence that Mr. Storm had indeed committed these crimes and was lawfully unrepentant.
Wonderful, you can sit down.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Alright, defense. Now, make your opening.
Alright, so right now we got this court case going on, as you guys heard before. I'm going to talk a little bit while they're getting ready. Right now we're working with the MCD in BCSO.
Frank, talking in the gallery.
Your Honor, there was the officers charged my plaintiff here with fleeing and evading and resisting arrest. Is that the one we're on here?
Yes.
Whatever the first one is. I believe it is that one.
Yes,
Vinny,
it is the first one. Sorry. Your Honor, when
Vinny, what are you
the
doing?
officers showed up on the scene, there was no visible. Like LSPD, nothing like that. The officers never said stop police, anything. They just said stop. So the plaintiff was then worrying that he was being rolled up on by somebody that did not like him or was trying to end his life, so he began to ran there. It wasn't until fairly after the first initial phase that the officers then flipped their sirens and let it be known that they were law enforcement.
Alright, is that your opening?
Yes.
Alright, take 6. Alright, State. Time for you to present your first witness.
Your Honor, I'd like to call PCSO officer KJ Garcia to the stand.
Yep.
Hey Vinny, is there a way you can let me in the changing room?
You have to walk through the court. I don't think they're gonna like that.
You said what?
Alright, perfect. Now, Mr.
You have to
Garcia,
walk
I'm
through the
asking for
court. I don't think they'll like
permission
that.
to
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, cause
While
the
responding
F6
to the
muscle
call,
doesn't work here.
when you responded, did the lights on your
Like
car?
I can't lock pick a vehicle to change my clothes. Fuck it, there's a clothing store right here.
Vinny, do not do
Somebody
it.
hit somebody in the fucking.
We're more than sure the suspect had more than enough time to see it was police officers. It was a black car with the lights on.
Vinny, do not do that.
Yes, sir. It is.
Brother, what are we running in?
Meanwhile, while they pulled up to the scene, the officers
Vinny, why are you putting cucumbers in people's pockets? You an idiot, Vinny.
My apologies. Could you repeat that one more time for me?
Do you mind telling us how you proceeded once you showed up? Once you showed up to the scene.
Once we showed up on scene, we had our lights on. We had told him to stop where he was at the time, but he proceeded to flee on his.
Objection, Your Honor.
Okay. What's the objection?
Counsel, bleeding.
Rephrase the question.
Excuse me, Your Honor. What did you say?
Vinny,
Rephrase the question.
Yeah.
I just fucking hit somebody
Officer
going
KJ
200 miles an
Garcia.
hour. My lights and sirens aren't
When
responding
you
to the
arrived to the
courthouse
scene,
and
did
saying
you or
that
did
I
you
wasn't
not
in the
have your
road.
lights and sirens on to show the
But he was in the
No.
fucking road.
And him $50,000 and things like that.
When you showed up to this, was there not
gonna
a
body cam
wall
it, I mean, if you
right
want me
hand
to.
side of the suspect where your lights were reflecting?
Just make sure he agrees to
Yes, sir.
50K as a.
Also, at what point in the
We're
body
good.
cam, at approximately 25 seconds of the body cam to be exact, you have siren being played nice and light. Nice
Can I
and
get,
so, and
Yes.
while you were going to interact with the suspect, did he not get on his bike and look directly at your vehicle with its lights on?
Yes.
Can I
his
get medical
vehicle
supplies
was
from the
facing
jail or
us.
no?
Objection.
I don't
Bleeding
know.
again, Your Honor.
Yeah, man, you gotta
No?
make the questions more direct.
I have no
So
clue.
Well,
less
I mean,
related to
he was
them,
in the middle
more
of the
related
fucking road,
towards
so
the officer's knowledge
can't be in the middle of the road.
Nope. We call an
So,
occupational
this might
hazard.
also
Well-
witness the handoff, right?
Disruption of a
running
major
from over here,
of a major
over there.
shipping channel.
And how many of your units were there?
4 of us in total.
So, to your knowledge, right, it's just, you know, a basic drug call. You seen the handoff and you proceeded as you normally would, right?
His buddy just told me, he's like, you're
Bleeding
good, bro,
again,
you
Your
can
Honor.
leave. I was like, okay.
The question was, did he see the handoff or?
Yeah.
Well-
Did he see the suspect hand off drugs or something?
Yeah, like.
Vinny, how do I get over there? How do I get over there by you guys?
Personal recollection of the event. Sustained.
Stop putting pickles in people's things, Vinny.
And when you
Vinny, how
chased
do I
the
get
suspect
over there?
off
I don't
I
want to
hate
walk
you.
in there.
Do not do it.
Yes, sir. I did 2 times.
You're annoying.
When you finally were able to land a hit with your non-lethal weapon, did you put the suspect into cuffs?
Yes, that was me who ended up putting him in cuffs, sir.
And he didn't break the cuffs once, right?
No, the suspect is very cooperative with the cuffs.
Well, that's all I need from Officer KJ here today, Your Honor.
Very well. Defense, do you wish to cross-examine?
Yes. I would like to cross-examine, please.
Very well. Step up. Remember, the microphones do work. Just have to third eye.
Hello. Hello, Mr. KJ. How are you today? I just have a quick question for you. You said that the defendant was cooperative, right?
Yes, once the cuffs were on. Beforehand, he was not, because he was fleeing.
So he didn't try to run away from you guys when the cuffs were off, or escape the cells or anything like that?
When the cuffs were off, yes, he was fleeing, because...
I'm saying when the cuffs were on, sorry, my bad.
Yeah, no, when the cuffs were on, I was able to grab him.
Would you be able to clarify, in the body cam here on the video, it shows that when you guys pulled up, did you say stop police, or how did you identify yourselves when you guys first pulled up to the scene?
I don't have a quite exact reference of that. I believe it was amongst the lines of stop, sir, please stop. Over.
Your Honor, if I could please replay the video to show,
I feel like it's her in somebody's ear.
say anything along the lines of stop, please stop.
I think Tina. Yeah, but I think Tina is talking to him.
Objection, Your Honor.
Okay, so repeat that whole thing. What?
Sorry.
Okay, no. Defense, say your piece, and then...
I was saying, when the officers pulled up onto the scene, they didn't properly identify themselves as police officers. All they did was stop at the officer, or at the civilian.
Okay.
Would you like me to play the video to show that?
1 second. State, what's your objection?
Irrelevancy. Would the lights on the PD car and the text on the vest plate on the sheriff's office not show that it's law enforcement?
Your Honor, the front of the vehicle says Fear the Reaper, something along the lines. There's nothing that says VCSO or LSPD on the front of the vehicle. And them lights could have been EMS lights.
EMS lights are white and red, Your Honor.
Okay. I want to see where he's going with this, but I'll keep the suggestions real quick, just I think.
Where, oh, my bad, sorry. What? Okay, where do you want me to do that at?
Alright.
Is there a certain spot?
Just show me, Tina, do you start recording this, or no? For the state?
I have not opened it, but I can start recording it now.
It's fine. Just give me a timestamp, or, and I'll review it.
Alright, 1 second.
You can also just join the DOJ if you want.
A lawyer sitting in here with a class 3
It's right in
firearm
the
on her
beginning,
back.
Your Honor, it's within the first 15 seconds.
Where?
Look at Latiana's back.
He has
Yeah,
a it's a baseball hat.
Vinny,
So right now, they're letting the judge watch the video.
Or you can hear him, you just yell stop at the...
So I'm just gonna kind of explain. I mean, I'm sure you guys were watching, but you obviously see. So we're just letting the judge watch the thing right now, and we're gonna be waiting for his ruling as soon as he's done here.
Okay. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. Tina, if you want to start so the rest of the audience can see, please do. But I'm looking at it.
I believe within 10 to second marker, marker 10 to 15 seconds of the videos where you can see it.
Okay. All right. Was that it? Just to show that, or you
Oh,
have
yeah, I
questions?
just wanted to show that there's no really real identification on the vehicle besides the lights that were going off to show that it was a police officer vehicle. There's no thing that says BCSO LSPD on the front, and there is neon lights on the vehicle, so anybody can put neon lights on their vehicle of any color.
Okay.
I'm all done, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I have gone ahead and opened the DOJ meeting room.
Sounds good.
And the DOJ as well, if the members of the audience would like to direct themselves to the DOJ.
Very well. People in the gallery, if you would like to also see what they're seeing, because obviously I don't have a TV in here yet. Please refer to the main Valley emails. We'll put it up in the DOJ section there.
I'm not able to share in there for some reason. I don't have the roles, so I'm in the DOJ itself meeting room.
I'll just move the roll. Okay, maybe I can.
I'm just gonna go back to
Sorry, guys. I'm making a.
So, if you would like to look at it, please refer to the DOJ email. Sorry for the confusion. I'm gonna go talk to somebody about that after this. All right, defense. I assume you rest. Miss Deputy KJ, you're allowed to stand down. Say, do you have another witness?
I'm just setting up some stump stuff on the stream deck I have.
Very well, defense. You can bring up your witnesses.
Okay, well, guys, look at
Call the defendant up to the stand, please.
Very well. Please swear.
You gotta go over. Get sworn in. You gotta get
Where,
sworn in.
the seat next to my left.
Oh, you don't want him to stand over there to get sworn in, sorry. Yep, we can hear you. Alrighty, Mr. Storm, can you guys hear me alright? Hello? On the afternoon, when the officers pulled up to you, was your initial thought on it that they were police officers?
No.
After they identified themselves as police officers and you had fallen off the bike and all that stuff, they had arrested you. You weren't being, what do you call it, resilient or anything like that, correct?
At no point during the interaction did they identify themselves as police officers. And no.
You weren't fighting back, you weren't trying to strike the officers or anything like that, is what I'm saying.
No, at the point of running, I was fleeing for my life because I thought it was a rival gang or someone trying to, or a family or someone just trying to take my life.
Yeah, you thought.
I felt threatened.
When the officers pulled up, they yelled to stop, correct?
Correct.
Oh, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and rest on that, Your Honor. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rest on that, Your Honor.
Very well. State, do you wish to cross?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
So, Mr. Storm, is it right?
That's correct.
So, you had just stated that you thought it was a rival family coming to chase you for your life, right?
It could have been anyone chasing me, yes.
Okay, but when you said family, do families not have identifiers to identify themselves as a family? Therefore, chain, shirt, shorts.
They normally have something, either an identifying
Objection, Your Honor,
vehicle
relevance.
with.
Can you hold on, Sam? Can you put a foundation for why you need to say that?
Anybody could throw a chain
Because
on or a flag on.
he had just stated that he had thought it was a family. Those were his exact words, Your Honor. So if he had thought it was a family chasing, then the family would have had a identifier of a chain or certain piece of clothing. But as it was an officer chasing, the officer obviously had the identifier of
But
utility belt.
you are referring to chasing on the 1070, right? On the
Yeah,
shoes?
on foot, you're right.
All right. So it would be relevant. So,
I can't hear you. Repeat it, please.
you may continue your question.
I couldn't hear you, what you said, Your Honor. You cut out for me.
Okay. What I said was, due to the fact that it's during a 1070, it's relevant. Because a lot of this case is based on the fact that they can identify themselves correctly. So, obviously, you get chain, etc. It's relevant. So, we're going to continue questions.
Anyway, Mr. Storm, so while you were running of your life, catching glimpse of badge on the vest, the radio, the date, the body cam, etc. No lettering, no writing.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yeah, I got you. So, as you said, while you were running for your life, you didn't seem to catch any, like, the badge, the body cam, the taser on the vest or anything? The lettering?
I was running dead ahead, running for my life. I was not looking to my right, to my left, or behind me. I was looking dead straight.
Alright, yes, sir. I have nothing else to say to Mr. Storm here, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Storm, you can rest. Defense, do you have any other witnesses?
Sorry, what was that?
Do you have any other witnesses?
Not at this time, Your Honor. Not at this time, Your Honor.
Sorry, was my microphone on? Can y'all hear me better now?
Yeah, we can hear better now.
Okay, so yeah, that shit turned off. Okay, so if you have no more witnesses, we'll go into evidence portion. So for those of you unfamiliar, evidence is when we can just bring up very specific evidence that either side wishes to bring up, just to be as a clarifying point, due to the fact that this is some crazy courtroom. And then we'll move to closing, and then we'll be done in this case, once I make my judgment.
Does any of you want me to specifically share
Yes,
something
sir.
from the docket as evidence for the gallery? Does the state have anything, or the public defender?
Yep, sorry. I got a photo in the docket that I'd like to share as evidence. Give me 1 second to find it and I'll submit it in there.
I believe it's here. Is it this one? look at the DOJ meeting room and verify if that's the photo that's in the docket.
Your Honor, I just re-put it in the docket there. That shows that the front of the vehicle doesn't say. Hang on, let me step over here. Okay.
Tina, if you could just screen record the docket just to show.
Okay, I am.
For the court, it shows a green-looking color on the vehicle, black and green. It says Demon Torque, blacked out windows, all black. I assume the point here is that it looks like a green person gang kind of car.
Yeah, that could be this. That could be anybody's vehicle, Your Honor. That
Like a
nothing
flower
about that
pot.
says that. Yes, nothing about that says that that's a BCSO or LSPD, HOV, etc. You know what I'm saying? That's all I have to show for evidence-wise, Your Honor.
Does the state have anything they would like to show?
He's not suing, he's looking for removal of charges.
KJ, can you
God.
go into role request and accept for Keegan Dean for MCD Cadet and Major Crimes Division, please?
Pretty sure I already got the roles.
Oh, you already
I
did?
already got the roles.
I'll get Jamie to go over everything with you in MCD.
Alright, but I'll be on later on today, so.
You're not even on, you fucker?
Just
I'm at
whenever you're-
work.
Just
Welcome,
whenever you're
Sheriff.
within
Welcome,
MCD, whenever you're MCD and you're a cadet, you gotta ride with a marked unit person until they can report back to me, or KJ, or Vinny, and then we can evaluate your progress, and then we can see about moving you up to a marked unit, but it won't be for a few days.
They can report back to me, but I don't care.
Yeah, I can hear you.
That's fine.
Shut up.
So, that's just how that's gonna go.
Back. Hello? Can y'all hear me?
Alright, so right now we're just waiting for whatever's going on.
There was a
Okay.
voice issue.
Anyway. Miss Tina, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Would you like me to play anything?
Yes, play the defendant's
Or
body
it don't
cam while
last
we're talking
long.
on radio.
Vinny, why are you putting pickles or cucumbers in people's
All
pockets?
the way at the top.
What the fuck are you talking about? Why are you questioning me? I don't answer questions.
Oh fuck, I gotta clock in now.
He doesn't want to incriminate himself.
This is the best part because the defendant's body cam shows him acknowledging that PD was on scene.
Oh my god, dude, this is gonna be fucking hilarious.
That acknowledges
No,
that
they
PD is
used to
on scene.
put. They used to when I was a lawyer in city, bro, or a defense attorney. Fucking, they used to play the body cams and stuff on all the little TVs around here.
Yeah, the TVs
Yeah.
are kind of cooked right now. Gonna get them back here soon.
Yeah, I thought that would be pretty cool. Sweet, what are we waiting on?
Your Honor.
They're
When you
reviewing
see that,
evidence in the
what do
DOJ
you
chambers.
hear? Because to me, I hear nothing. So for my statement, I just want to say this: as the defendant stated, he could have been caught being chased by a family, etc. At the end of the day, we have
KJ,
no
you
idea what
literally
he
should have
really
told
said.
them
He could
that
have said
that car is
he was
literally
chased by a
Gavin,
PD
come-
only.
come out right
chased
now.
by his family, but in his body cam, it seems to pick up. It seems to
AJ,
fail
you
to
should
pick up
call
his
Vinny
side.
as an expert
We can't hear what
witness.
he's saying. So I mean,
Oh no,
truly,
that's a bad idea.
he already didn't
Alright,
identify
I'm
the
gonna
vehicle.
check you guys. It's either you put the weapons
Okay.
away or they will
see
be
that.
in my
Also,
pockets.
if you see there is a call
Yes,
sign
go put them
on
away.
top
You can't have
of
no
the
weapon.
car, we're not loading that. To my information, PD cars are really the only cars
So, KJ,
strapped
if
with
you
those
call
little
me,
LED
I will
lights. You see the
over-exaggerate
clear
my
ones
answers to you,
there, and
but
those
when
are
he
the
asks me
ones that
questions,
shine
he'll get
bright
fucking
red and
one-liners.
Also,
I'm not a
Mr.
lawyer. I'm a
Brother,
witness.
put the Draco up. Put the Draco up.
Oh,
Or I will arrest you
Well,
for it.
Yeah.
The
Come on,
lights
brother.
obviously
Put it up.
reflect
Thank you.
I'm not a lawyer,
off
so
the car.
I'll call you as a
Lights
witness for
as
my next case.
Go.
defendants
I
Please
love
use me
it.
as an expert witness.
I'd love to have you as an expert witness.
I should go find a green suit. Let me find a green suit real quick.
That's what I'm gonna.
Where do you want me to
Where'd you
show
get these cucumbers?
I'm gonna
Give
put
me
it
some.
in there
Benny,
right
give me
now.
some. Benny, give me some.
Where'd you
Coming up.
Where'd you buy them at?
You're gonna get locked in here.
No, don't. Give me some fucking pickles.
So, to my knowledge, I mean, no civilian is allowed to go around with red and blue lights. That's
I'll make a
illegal.
pickle suit where it looks
PD
like
officers, the
pickles,
only
like
ones that
actual
go around.
pickles.
EMS lights are white and red, sometimes orange, depending on the vehicle. And all EMS vehicles have a type of red color on them, either if it's red lining, all red.
Drama Queen, what are you doing?
So, I mean, there's really no way to mistake it for anything else but an officer. That's all I have to say for now, Your Honor.
Benny, hurry up, bro. Come on now.
All right, very well. Then we'll move into closing if you just want to continue from the stand.
We're moving into closing.
So, I mean, Your Honor, as we've sat here, we present our evidence and our facts. We know this is enough, more than enough to make the
I'm using 100% of my CPU right now. That's not good.
transactions.
Using like
Evidence shared is
34%.
for the charges mentioned, the possession of weed, the fleeing and evading.
I'm using
Whatever
100.
else he
How
was
do
charged
y'all
with.
That's bad.
CPU not be used so much?
We hope
Because
that
whenever
Mr.
I
Stone
use
would be
my
given proper charges
CPU
and would not
for
have all of
5M,
them drop.
it's like
The state
80
is
to
willing
100.
That's what mine is right now.
Because you have your
$10,000
cores
to
capped and you have to
support
uncap your cores if you have a lower grade
5,000
CPU.
back for the fine and
How do
Bro,
I
I have an
uncap that?
i5 14.8.
I'm
Lower
surprised
grade.
your shit's
Yeah,
running.
I have an
The state
i5
is willing to
1400K
give
and a
the
4060.
defendant back
Okay,
I'm
my question
surprised
is how
both
to.
of your shit is running.
Well, I have
The exact
I have-
same-
5,000 for the time.
exact same spec.
I have a 5090 coming in, but I get decent FPS. I get like 109 in the city.
I get 30.
I get a-
enough evidence that
I got an i5
all there,
14.4F.
okay. That's it. That's
Okay,
it. That's all
can
we
someone
need.
teach me how to uncap so I can
Are you
get...
on a laptop?
No, I'm on a tower.
Oh, he said
Defense, you have a closing.
400.
How do I uncap that?
This my specs. Loki ain't that bad.
Gavin, you know how to uncap?
Watch a YouTube video.
Okay.
How about i5 14.4F
Are you speaking?
and 4060?
I think so. I think you might be having some issues.
Why do we not have a green
Hello, can you
fucking
hear me now?
jacket?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure we do have a green jacket.
Your Honor, the only thing I'd like to say for closing is the only thing that the client wanted to come here and go against.
If you
today
have
was
an
the
NVIDIA GPU, chances
fleeing
are
and
at this
evading
point
and
you're
the
already
resisting
aware
arrest
of
charges.
all the settings that you
That
can
stated
change. But
Go to like the BCS server side.
You'll
find
after he was
the
placed
green.
in
you're
because he
watching
was
Candidate Technology,
compliant,
and in this video we're
cooperative,
talking
didn't
about how
Yeah,
you
but I
can
just
try and
want
get out of
a,
here like that,
like a
and
suit.
that's about it, Your Honor. That's it, Your Honor. I'm done.
Take your seat. All right, so we'll just go straight into it then, because I already kind of have my conclusion.
Wait, how do I become an ASA? I want to become an ASA.
So the only things being contested today were
I
the
don't?
fleeing and evading and resisting arrest. Off rip, I will say this: resisting arrest is going to be dropped. Just makes no sense legally, because the guy really didn't resist after he's put in cuffs. Now, as for the
That might
fleeing
be
and
the
evading,
closest I'm gonna get.
yes, he did flee, but if a person rolls up on you at a known spot to sell drugs, there is a level of expectation there of danger and people riding up on you. So the initial fleeing, I could understand why, but the fleeing on foot is what I can't say for certain.
Vinny, why your legs
Is
so
a
damn
valid
skinny, bro?
reason why to
I'm half tempted to keep these legs
stop at that point
skinny.
if you didn't believe they were PD or if you believed you were being
Please walk
chased.
out. Wait, that way you go back, go back.
So for that case, I'm going to refund the fine, but we're going to keep the charge. So I don't need to explain my reasoning for it.
My motherfucker's
We're
got a
gonna refund
fucking.
the fine, but keep the charge.
Still, that's so.
So, not guilty on resisting arrest, but guilty on fleeing and evading. That's my order, bang bang. Are we doing your second case as well, or just the first one?
They're doing both.
Yeah, we can do both. I'm just asking.
That should be a lot more simple.
I don't representing the first side.
Yeah.
You don't mind? You
That
don't
is
mind
radio.
if the state has a talk really quick before this?
No. We can have a 5-minute recess, so you guys and everyone. Yeah, by all means. All right, let me check.
It's very early in the morning for me, so if we could.
Your Honor, can I use the meeting room?
There's a
You can use any.
this person individual. It's regarding there's a different it is a would be justice in this situation. That is the arresting officer.
Yo, why did I just get a notification on my phone? Give me sex or I'll become violent.
Did you eat the pickles, Dorian?
Yo.
I threw them away.
Just reply with "That's hot."
Given one and tossed it.
I'm 13. Be like, I'm 13. So how do you want to do this?
Who's the
Nice.
You guys to go check.
Yes, it is.
Hello. Yes.
I'll say you don't. You probably don't.
Give me 1 second. Sorry.
No!
Ah.
How dare you? These are my
You
guns.
turn off the
Instead of having Vinny steal them.
Okay, so we'll do that.
Who gave me cucumbers?
Welcome to the MCD, Ren.
Come here.
Like,
Okay.
Murder's here.
I gotta figure this out, so I don't.
If you give it out of your pocket.
no, I have two now.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
Deshaun, did you know how to uncap?
Back tomorrow because it stays on.
It's
Okay,
it's
that's
honestly
fine.
kind of
Then I'll
easy.
just-
I got you. Just give me a second. Let me go.
The second
Let me at least
one,
get to the PD station so then I don't get kidnapped.
You're
Yeah,
gonna
sure.
have the second case tomorrow at
I'm
6,
on my way.
guys.
I'm on my way.
For your lawyer to
And,
begin with?